Did you know that growing your own strawberries can save you money and taste way better than store-bought? Strawberry, seriously, there's nothing like biting into a freshly picked strawberry, and today, I'm gonna share 5 must-know tips to help you grow your own delicious organic strawberries right at home. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a gardening enthusiast or just someone who loves fresh fruit, growing your own organic strawberries is an amazing project to dive into. Not only are strawberries packed with vitamins, but they're also super fun to grow. So, let's get into the juicy details on how to make your strawberry garden thrive. Alright, so before we jump into the tips, let's talk about some common challenges you might face when trying to grow strawberries. First up, pests. Ugh, those little critters can really put a damper on your strawberry dreams. You might also struggle with soil quality. Strawberries are picky about where they grow, and if your soil isn't right, they won't thrive. And then there's climate. Not all strawberry varieties are suited for every climate, which can add another layer of difficulty. But don't worry. I'm here to help you tackle these challenges head on. Let's dive into those tips. The first one is all about soil preparation. Make sure your soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. You can mix in compost or aged manure to give it a nutrient boost. Next up, you'll want to choose the right variety. There are June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral strawberries, so pick one that suits your climate and your harvest preferences. Now, when it comes time to plant, remember to space them about 12 to 18 inches apart. This gives them room to grow without crowding. And finally, maintenance is key. Water them consistently but avoid getting the leaves wet to prevent mold. Regularly check for pests and be proactive about organic pest control methods. Now, here's the big tip that can make or break your strawberry success: watering. Strawberries love consistent moisture, but they're also prone to root rot. So, what's the secret? Water them deeply and less frequently. This encourages deeper root growth and helps them withstand dry spells. Plus, consider using mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Trust me, proper watering can be the game changer in your strawberry garden. To wrap it all up, remember these 5 must-know tips. Prepare your soil well, choose the right variety for your area, space your plants properly, maintain consistent watering, and keep an eye on those pesky pests. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying your very own organic strawberries. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried growing strawberries before? What tips do you have, or what challenges have you faced? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and check out my other gardening videos for more awesome tips. Happy gardening, and